Today we talk about Disneyland for Montabert breakers. Do you want to know where is on the earth the biggest used stock of Montabert breakers? Watch the movie. Hello, Pasquale is here from REPALO. I'm the third generation in rock breaker business since 1972. Each breaker rebuilt by us is covered by warranty, is inspected, assembled and repaired, inside, outside, everywhere. We only use highest quality parts made in Italy. Buy REPALO means to buy a quality reborn hydraulic breaker, top quality brand, with warranty. We keep a very high standard on Montabert rebuilt, especially if they are going to be delivered to Ciudad de Mexico, Mexico City, in La República Mexicana, where Andrés Torres Huerta from EUROMEX, our only official dealer for North, Central and South America, will support you with the biggest stock of rebuilt used Montabert breaker in the world. Call Andrés, do it today at this number. If you are looking to be our dealer in Europe, Africa, Asia, North America, please call us here. We have a really dedicated price and a very big project for you. Thanks for watching REPALO. Please keep following us. Buy quality rebuild.